Well, it's finally time, everyone. Canadian National Resources has finally met their debt goal. They are now going to start paying more and more special dividends and buy back more and more shares. Those of you who own and follow the company are aware that the company stated previously once they get their debt to a certain comfortable level that they will start giving the excess capital back to shareholders. On its own, the current dividend yield is sub 4% because the stock has had quite the run up. Even year to date, it's been fairly significant. But if we look over the last 5 years, we've went from a $23 stock up to a $100 stock. So those of us who've owned the stock in that period of time are extremely happy. But this 3.87% yield is only applicable if you buy it today. Those of us who've owned it for a while really have a great yield on cost, and yeah, it just depends on what price you paid when you bought it, but a lot of us have over a 6% yield on cost. Now, like I said, management finally met its long-term debt goal, so they've agreed that the share price is still low, so it's around $100, and they said that it's still low. For the foreseeable future, they will be increasing share buyback. So that should help push the stock up a little bit more from here, even as long as the oil barrel stays at a positive price. Now, without boring you with all of their individual investor relation pages, I can assure you that management will be paying out special dividends. Now, we can't in all certainty tell you how much these special dividends are because it'll involve a bit of a calculation on A, how many shares will they be buying back, and B, what will their capex spending be going forward in the near term, because those of us who own the stock know that they have a 30-year reserve oil life, but they may spend more money to buy more oil fields and increase the years. We don't know what management's going to do because it depends on what they feel looks good in their pipeline and whatever's in their horizon. So if capex remains low, then you can really expect high special dividends. I'm not going to guess at what the number is going to be, but the higher oil goes, the higher the special dividend should be, in my opinion. This is going to be a really good near-term hold for a few years. I don't know what 10 years down the line looks like for oil. No one does. But for the near future, I think this company really looks favorable, and congratulations to all who hold this. And the reason I'm doing this video today is because a lot of people who own this company, they don't follow the investor presentations and the quarter reports. So if you don't follow, you're not going to know that management has agreed that it's time to start rewarding shareholders more. So I hope you watch this video and you learned something today. See you in the next one.